Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLDV. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And into this situation just makes mapping out some key levels of support and resistance pretty straightforward. Now, I have done this one pretty routinely. That's where the red line and green line is coming from. And update, maybe not really the right word, more so confirmation probably. But the one thing I suppose that, the update is the right word is it's not flashy. It's nothing really exciting, but the bulls have been kind of in ninja mode in the sense of quietly putting in higher lows. So over the past couple of days, they keep working the price higher and higher and higher. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that just because this happened, tomorrow this thing's going to be at 15 cents. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that from a trend perspective, and more so a very short-term trend perspective, the bulls are building a little short-term uptrend. Now, is this kind of like the match being lit before a bigger type breakout happens? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine there, but that doesn't change the fact that there's no doubt about it. The bulls are making some quiet progress in the long term, or excuse me, in the very short term. Whether or not that has any sort of long-term consequences, for the bullish side of things, that still remains to be seen. Although I could see people saying, well, check out the final 30 minutes, nice little upward movement. So yeah, maybe that is the start of something bigger. Now, how do we define the start of something bigger? Well, if anything bigger is going to get started, then the key level of resistance that is initially going to need to be broken is right here at 0026. Going through the history of the chart, you can see today knocked the price down, and then earlier, a couple of days ago, knocked the price down. So again, if this is the start of something bigger, 0026 is going to be that next hurdle, and the next key hurdle to keep an eye on after 0026 is this red line up there, valued at 0029. So like I said, no doubt about it, you can't take anything away from the bulls. They are making progress. Does this mean anything or not? That remains to be seen, but now we have a way to kind of quantify remains to be seen. Let's see if the price can get up there through 0026 and then stay above it. So still 2 days left this week. We'll see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.